tell Facebook what we're doing. We're not live, but just tell them what we're doing.
Oh. I'm walking into the hotel.
We're gonna blizzards. You ready for this? It's gonna be this one because they don't have the cards. Remember? If you want my ice cream, I can do it.
Do you have yours?
No, do you have it?
Yes, I'm sure I do somewhere.
Oh crap. You have it?
Yes, Jackson.
Here we go.
Oh, gross.
Yeah, see. Do you have anyone to say hi to?
No,
Alright.
I don't want to be on it, honey.
Okay, if you don't want to be on it, then you don't have to be on it. Will you be the camera operator then?
I have too much in my hands, honey.
Once you get us in the, once you set things on, will you be the camera operator?
Yeah.
Ooh, it's not as cold as tomorrow, I mean. Well, enough of that face, you know what I mean? What number? 24, right? So welcome to our room. You know, we have to be something that some people don't want to be on video, right, Emily? Turn off some light. Turn out so they can see it. So this is our closet. Some luggage. All right, if you give me that, can be your camera operator. You don't want to film? You don't want to film me?
I can film you, but you do that part.
All right, this is the bathroom. Nice. I've never had a sink that I can just step on. Look at that, Emily. Come here. I can just step right on here. Small tub. It's a pretty nice view. We have a small desk. Which is nice. We have a gorgeous view. Hold on, let me turn off the lights, some lights, so we don't have the glare. But this is the view. All right. It's pretty. It's kind of. It's beautiful. All right. Jackson out.